Looking for the best AI voice tool in 2025? ElevenLabs or Murf AI? Let's put them head to head on voice quality, pricing, and features. Both platforms turn text into speech, but they take slightly different approaches. Here's what stood out when I tested them. First, the voice quality. Murf AI has a large catalog of voices, good enough for e-learning and presentations. But ElevenLabs really pushes realism. Voices sound more emotional, natural, and human-like, which makes a big difference for marketing or client-facing content. Next, the pricing. MERP's plans start cheaper, but the best features unlock at higher tiers. ElevenLabs uses a credit system. You only pay for what you generate, and unused credits can roll over. That makes it more flexible if your workload changes month to month. On features, Murf is strong for built-in editing and team collaboration. ElevenLabs leans into innovation with voice cloning, advanced APIs, and constant updates that keep it ahead in quality. So here's the bottom line. Murf is great if you want a simple, all-in-one tool for training and slideshows. But if your goal is the most realistic voices for content that represents your brand, ElevenLabs is hard to beat. If you're curious to see how ElevenLabs can help your business, I drop a link in the description and pinned comment. Check it out.